Hello, Shelley here. This morning we're going to take a look at how to organize our classwork using topics. So I'm in one of my test courses and I'm going to click up here in the Classwork tab. Notice that I have all these different things in the Classwork tab, but they're not really organized by anything specific. So we're going to use topics to do that. So first I'm going to come down here to the Create button and click Topic. You're going to give it a name. So I'm going to do a Unit 1 to put some of this material in. One cool thing you can do, I have this extension on here. It's an emoji extension. And so I'm going to actually add an emoji to the front of my topic and then call this, Unit 1. And then I'm going to add that. So now my Unit 1 is down here. So now what I can do is go in here and edit an item. And over here where it says topic, I can add it to the topic and save. So as you can see, this would be a lot easier to do if you had the topic created and then you could just assign it to the topic when you create it. But I can easily just go back and add these after the fact. So now I'm gonna, I got those two under there. Now I'm gonna create a Unit 2 topic. Okay, I'm all done creating my topics and adding my assignments and classwork to the topics. And as you can see, as we look down the page, this is much more organized and easy for students and even yourself to find things in here. And the other thing that you can do once you have things organized in topics is you can click and it will just show you the things in that topic. So if you are working in the Unit 2, you can tell your students click on Unit 2 and you will see the things that are in Unit 2. And then you can always go back to all topics. So thank you for joining us today to learn about how to organize with topics in Google Classroom. We hope to see you next time.